Hello everyone. In this video, I will going to discuss the tyrosine kinase receptor for the subject cellular and molecular pharmacology for master in pharmacology first year students. This is the introduction part. That is, cell surface receptors recruit activity of protein kinases in two general ways. One is a non-receptor tyrosine kinase, and the second one is receptor tyrosine kinase. Non-receptor tyrosine kinase, these are the receptors lacking self-contained kinase function, recruit activities of intracellular protein kinases to the plasma membrane. Then receptor tyrosine kinase, it possesses an intrinsic tyrosine kinase activity that is a part of the receptor protein. Examples include receptors for growth factors, for example PDGF, EGF, insulin, etc. Implicated in diverse cellular responses. One is cell division, second one is differentiation motility. At least 50 RTKs identified, subdivided into 10 subclasses based on differences within extracellular ligand binding domain of receptor oncogenic RTK mutants exist. ERB B genes encoded an N-terminal truncated constitutively active form of EGF receptor. Four common structural features sharing common receptor tyrosine kinase are extracellular ligand binding domain, single transmembrane domain, cytoplasmic tyrosine kinase domain, and regulatory domains. Mechanisms of tyrosine kinase receptors. Tyrosine kinase receptors are a family of receptors with a similar structure. They each have a tyrosine kinase domain which phosphorylates protein on tyrosine residues, a hormone binding domain, and a carboxyl terminal segment with multiple tyrosinase for autophosphorylation. When a hormone binds to extracellular domain, the receptor aggregates. Second one, when the receptor aggregate, the tyrosine kinase domains phosphorylate the C-terminal tyrosine residues. This phosphorylation produces binding sites for proteins with SH2 domains. GRB2 is one of these proteins. GRB2 with SOS bound to it then binds to the receptor complex. This causes the activation of SOS. SOS is a guanylyl nucleotide release protein, GNRP. When this is activated, it causes certain G proteins to release GDP and exchange it for GTP. RAS is one of these proteins. When RAS has GTP bound to it, it becomes active. Activated RAS then causes the activation of a cellular kinase called RAF1. This is the mechanism of tyrosine kinase receptors. Applications. Two putative protein kinases, tyrosine kinases identified by application of the polymerase chain reaction. Protein tyrosine kinases are believed to play an important role in the metabolism of the cell, most probably as components of signal transduction pathways. Indirect evidence in support of this presumption is found in the frequent identification of members of P17K family as cellular receptors for certain growth factors and as products of the oncogenes of many of the acutely transforming retroviruses. Application of tyrosine kinase inhibitor as a promising targets treatment for myeloproliferative neoplasms. This potential use of tyrosine kinase inhibitors in several asthma. Kinase targets and inhibitors for the treatment of airway inflammatory diseases. The next generation of drugs for severe asthma and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. A protein tyrosine kinase in the interferon alpha/beta signaling pathways. Functions. Receptor tyrosine kinases are a subclass of tyrosine kinases that are involved in mediating cell-to-cell communication and controlling a wide range of complex biological functions, including cell growth, motility, differentiation, and metabolism. Thank you for watching this video.